Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'll do another controller replacement. It's very easy procedure as long as you follow the safe steps, and it can be used on any bicycle you have, doesn't matter of the brand, and every bicycle will have a different location. For example, this one controller should be located over here. You would need to unscrew 4 screws only on the side. Some of them installed in the frame, some of them attached in different locations. Again, every bicycle different, but the procedure should be about the same. So before you doing anything, make sure you remove the battery. This bicycle comes with a key in order to remove the battery and turn off the bike as well. Over here is a special system when you can lift up the seat like this and remove the battery. Okay, so once you remove the battery, the next step, you need to make sure there is no current. I'll show you how to do it. So once you remove the battery, you need to make sure there is no current. So you would press a power on button. Every bicycle have different location for the button. So over here you press it and hold it for about few seconds, like I would say 5 seconds. Make sure it will not turn on completely. You can press different button. Make sure there is no current, everything discharged. Next step would be removing this 4 screw. Okay, and you need to have Phillips screwdriver for this particular bike. Maybe the other bike might have different kind of screws, so you would need to check. Okay. Then you would remove the cover, put it aside, and here's the controller. So usually the big wire, it might be power wire, so I would disconnect this one first. Okay, and I would grab the replacement controller, and plug it in. Make sure you plug in correct way. It's very important. There should be always over here there is some arrow to arrow, so you would plug in. Okay, and then you would disconnect next one. It doesn't matter which one, but make sure when you disconnect it, you connect to the same wire. And you just push it in. It's just plug and play. There's nothing kind of serious. You just unplug it and put it back. Make sure you plug in well, so it will be connected well. Okay. So I would need to remove some of the zip tight over here, just carefully. Okay, and I would need to follow the cable to find where it's going, and it's going to the, looks like to the motor from another side. Okay, so I unplugged this one, so I'll insert in the same hole inside over here, you'll see it, and follow the same way it was attached before. So I want to show you from another side, just to make sure everything going the way it was before. You can tighten up with the zip tight on the side just to secure it so it will not be loose. Anything underneath to check to make sure the wires are not loose anywhere, secured, because you don't want them to get on your way when you're riding. Okay, I'm gonna just attach few wires to make sure everything is zip tight well, and once you zip tight well, I'll just put everything inside. And there's not really much space, you just put it in and it shouldn't be loose. Then you just attach back the 4 screws. So now I put everything back, the new controller tighten up. It's time to put the battery in. So depend on your battery. So this one is just on the back, you just slide it in. It should get in. You can put it back the seat and turn it on. Okay, the key usually stay here, so you cannot remove it when you're biking. And let's see if it works. Alright, so I put the battery back. Everything looks good so far. So now I'm gonna turn on the bicycle and see if controller installed correctly and if it's everything working perfectly. Okay, so you just press the button over here. Every bicycle again different. For a few seconds it will turn on. So far no error codes. Let's see if it's can ride. Yep. It can. Let's see how fast. We'll go to the speed assist level 5 and see how fast can it up to 25 and 7 miles without load, of course. With load would be about 24, 22, depending on the weight. That's all. That's an old controller. I'm not sure if there's any problem with that, but I just replaced it to show you how to replace this controller on this bicycle, Nakto bike. Every bicycle have controller and they're located in different location. This one have under battery, some of them have in the frame, some of them have in different location again. Just check with the manufacturer or seller, they'll tell you where's your controller, and if your controller is defected, if it's still under warranty, usually they send you for free. Again, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next video.